Powerbeats Fit is here. This video will help you get the most out of it on iOS. How to wear Powerbeats Fit and tuck in the secure fit wingtips. To experience great sound and comfort, the right fit is essential. That's why Powerbeats Fit comes with 4 ear tip sizes. Choose the size that feels right for your ears. The other key to a great fit is the soft, flexible wingtip, our universal solution for an incredibly stable, incredibly comfortable true in-ear bud. After inserting the earbud and rotating it into a comfortable position, gently tuck the wingtip into your upper ear, like this, and Powerbeats Fit stays locked in. To ensure an optimal listening experience and acoustic seal, check your fit with the ear tip fit test on iOS. Pairing and automatic switching. Powered by the Apple H1 chip, Powerbeats Fit comes with native iOS features like one-touch pairing and automatic switching. To pair your Powerbeats Fit for the first time, both earbuds must be seated in their case. After the first pairing, they'll instantly pair with every Apple device you're signed into on iCloud. With automatic switching, if you're playing music on your Mac and take a call on your iPhone, Powerbeats Fit will automatically switch audio sources. Controls. You can customize your B buttons for different actions. In your device settings, you can choose to make each button toggle listening modes, activate Siri, or control volume. Spatial audio. For truly immersive listening, Powerbeats Fit supports personalized spatial audio with dynamic head tracking. To experience spatial audio, make sure your Powerbeats Fit earbuds are connected to your iPhone or iPad and that you're playing audio. Next, access your control center by swiping down from the top right corner of your device screen. Then tap the volume control slider. Then tap spatial audio at the bottom right of the volume control. Audio sharing. Powerbeats Fit also supports audio sharing. Easily share a song or show by bringing Powerbeats Fit and another pair of compatible Beats or AirPods near the iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV playing audio and connect instantly. Find My. If you misplace your Powerbeats Fit, you can use Find My to see their last known connected location on a map. Automatic updates. We'll keep updating Powerbeats Fit to make it even better. You'll receive any software updates and new features automatically.